Hi guys, it's me again, Christoph Andrew. If you are watching right now, please don't forget to like and share this video and hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you will be notified on my new and upcoming vlog. For today's vlog, we're going to unbox a random blind boxes from PopMart. We have this newest release from Bimu and the Zootopia 2, and we have some old collection or old IPs which are the SpongeBob Best Friends. This one is new to me, the Zodiac Flower Whispering of Zoe. And of course, we have the Hachi Pupu, which is the Adventures in the Wild. I'm not sure if this is Adventures in the Wild. Oh no, it's Adventures in the Wood. So I'm excited to share it with you. Some boxes are dented like this one, but I'm happy to unbox these blind boxes for you, and let's have fun doing this. So what are we waiting for? Let's do the unboxing now. So let me start with these boxes, which are from SpongeBob Best Friends. And actually, I'll be honest with you that I never watch SpongeBob cartoons, but I found them very cute and adorable. I was just curious. That's why I decided to get a few boxes from this collection. So I believe this is the newest release from Pop Mart for the SpongeBob, and this is the Best Friend series. And I like the box. It's so ocean vibe, very colorful, and they have 12 lined up here, confirmed figures, and one secret. But I noticed that the secret has two characters. I believe this is Patrick Star also and SpongeBob at the same time. And from this lineup, I want to get the patty wagon. It looks like it's a burger of SpongeBob and the lasso player and the toothpaste testing. These three. Though anyway, either of these figures are okay to me. So let's see, guys. Whoever the fan of SpongeBob here, give me a comment down below, and this is for you. So let me start doing this. I missed stripping this box from the top, so let's do this for today's vlog. So guys, I'm excited with this one. Okay, I don't want to see any spoiler yet. So they use a typical foil of Pop Mart. I just hope that they do the branding for SpongeBob as well. So let's see, guys. This one looks a very small figure, very flat. Oops. So one, two, three. Oh, it's a very small one, and it's SpongeBob. This one is so cute. Look, guys. I'm not a fan of SpongeBob, but I found this one a very cute sponge. It's so colorful, it's so yellow. It seems like SpongeBob is doing a toothbrush here or brushing her teeth, his teeth, I guess. So, this is the art card. Teeth cleaning, yeah. He's brushing his teeth. So, I like the art card. It looks like a pineapple for me. And yeah, it's so colorful. I like the artwork. So let me put the brush of SpongeBob. Okay. Where? Okay, here. It's here. I have to insert this one here. Okay, that's it. Okay, this one is so cool. I like the color combination. It pop-ups the color. I like the eyes of SpongeBob here. There's some toothpaste bubbles here, and I like the. It looks like he just woke up from the bed and he's still wearing the pajama, and like this is a, I don't know what you call this one, hat. Yeah, so this one is so cool. I like this. Actually, he looks like a cheese for me, but yeah, it's cute. So, what can you say about this one, guys? If you are a SpongeBob collector, please comment down below. Let's proceed with our second box for SpongeBob. This one is a heavy figure. unlike the first one that we unboxed. Hmm, I really wanna get the Patty Wagon, the toothpaste tasting so that they will be matched together. And uh-huh, ice cream time. Let's see. Let me unbox this one. So I don't know why I never watched SpongeBob cartoon, but this one is so famous. I'm not sure why, but maybe they are so look so adorable for me. As per the figure, yeah, this one is a chunky one. So let me show you our second figure. So one, two, three. Oh, oops. Oh, the patty, the burger. Look, this one is so cute. Look, guys. SpongeBob is riding a burger car, and yeah, I like the burger. Look, the bun, the patty, the cheese, the lettuce, and SpongeBob is driving it. Yeah, this one is so cool. Yeah, and it's moving like that. Yeah, looks this one's look. It's very cute. Let me show you the art card. Okay, so this is the Patty Wagon. Yeah, this one is so cute. I can say that this is so adorable. They are so colorful. The details are very intricate. There are some blush of SpongeBob here, the two teeth or tooth of SpongeBob. I like the eyes, the eyelashes. Yeah, I can say that it's worth to collect. So if anyone wants to collect this one and you have some comment, you can write it down below. Let's proceed with our next boxes, which is or are Zoe, the flower whispering zodiac, zodiac flower whispering. I never thought that there's an IP for this Zoe because I just had Zoe before and it's a freebie from Popmart. And the series is a fruit series. I'm not sure if that's Zoe Fruit Planet. Yeah, I remember. That's Zoe Fruit Planet. Then I saw this one and it looks like an old IP. So I got curious and decided to get two. And what I like about this one, let me show you this first. What I like about the series is it's a zodiac signs. And I really want to get my sign, of course, which is the Sagittarius. I like to get the Sagittarius. Or I wanna get Gemini, Scorpio. hmm I wanna get Aquarius as well and Capricorn. Let's see, guys. I just decided to get two, so I don't know which one I'll get from this collection, or maybe I'll get a secret, which has a probability of 1/144. So let me start with the dented box. Let's see, guys. Okay. Oops. I'm so curious about this one, really, because I don't know if the figure is good quality figure or not. Because the Zoe Fruit Planet that I had before, I don't like it much. So let's see. This one is a much lower cost than the other IPs. So let's see our first or third figure. One, two, three. Oh, it's very white. Which one is this? Look, guys. I'm not sure about this one, but it has a pearlescent hair, white hair, and with some orchids as a design flower. I'm not sure what sign is this. Oh my God! It's a Sagittarius. Surprisingly, it doesn't look like a Sagittarius to me, but yes, it's a Sagittarius. It's mentioned here. Here, look. I got my prio. I got my sign, and it's a Sagittarius. But yeah, it doesn't look a Sagittarius to me. But when I flip this one, the feet of Zoe is a like a feet of the horse. So definitely Zoe is a horse here, and there's a sign of Sagittarius here. on the knees of Zoe. Yeah, very simple one. Yeah, surprisingly, I got my sign, and I like the bun tail of Zoe here, and the hair is pearlescent white. Very simple, not that much, but I'm happy that I got my sign. So, what is your thought about this? You can comment down below. Let's proceed with our next box for Zoe, the Zodiac Flower Whispering. So I got my sign, yay! So I want to get Libra for my, for CJ, and of course I want to get the Gemini. Okay, there's a contrast here. Gemini is the devil here. Okay, there's a two Gemini, one devil and one angel. Yeah, very curious about that one. And I don't know who's the secret. So let's see, guys. I'm so excited for this one. And I hope it's not a duplicate, by the way. Oops. So one, two, three. Oh! Ah, I guess this is the angel. Yeah, the Gemini angel. Look. Yeah, I got the Gemini angel. Look, very nice. I like their art card. Very slim one. And yes, this one is so cute. Maybe these are rose buds. And the finish is very matte finish. The horn, the golden yellow horn is a glossy type. And I don't know what is this. It's a tail bun. And there's a wings at the back. It's a combination of white and orange. Very cute. I should get more of these. They look so adorable for me. And the bow and the dress is pearlescent with a heart design. I like the eyes. The pupil is a stars. And there's a mini fang. Very cute. Yeah, what can you say about this one? I don't know. So far, I like this series of Zoe, which is the Flower Whispering Zodiac. I'm not sure. Should I get more of these guys? Please comment down below. Let's go with Hachipupu, the adventure in the woods. So, I'm not a collector of Hachipupu, but I have some Hachipupu figures. So, I found them really adorable. I don't know. And they are so cute. And these figures or series are very old series of Hachipupu. So, yeah, why not? So I decided to get two of these and check if these figures are worth to collect. So, from this series, the box is a very forestly vibe. It seems like Hachipupu is in the forest, it's in the woods, and the theme is very forest or wood. I don't know what you can say about that one, but they have 12 confirmed figures for the lineup, and yeah, there is one secret which is 1 over 144. So let's see, guys. From the lineup, I actually wanna get the owl, the cannibal flower. I wanna get the ladybug, the morning glory. I wanna get the mushroom as well, and little raccoon. I'm not sure. So let's see. They have the same weight, so let me start with this one. Aha! I'm so excited. Which are your favorites here, guys? Can you comment down below? And if you are still watching right now, you definitely enjoying my unboxing vlog. Please don't forget to like and share this video, please, and subscribe in my channel. Oops. So this is what I talk about. I really want every foil of Pop Mart blind boxes has this branding like this Hachipupu. I really like their foil. It has a branding of Hachipupu. Very cute. Very nice artwork. So let's see. This one is a very small figure. Oh, I'm so excited. One, two, three. Oh, I got the fox. You can move the head of Hachipupu? I'm not sure. Yes. Every time there's a plastic here, you can remove the head of the figure, just like Hachipupu here. Hachipupu here is like a fox. He has a fox tail. The hair is brown, matching with the fox tail. And let me show you the art card. Okay. Oh, so this is Mr. Fox. Look, guys, I really like their art card. Very nice artwork. Yeah, very nice. So let me put all the inclusions. Okay, so there's a stand. A very simple, clear stand for, I believe, for everyone of Hachipupu figure. I don't know how to, I'm not sure if, yeah, okay, it fits. And there's, I'm not sure if this is magnetized. Oh, it's not. It's not magnetized, so I don't know. Ah, okay. So he's holding the mini hat, black hat, like this. Very nice. Very dapper one. Yeah, Hachipupu here is so cute. Not my Prayo, but he looks so cute and adorable here. I like the gray suit with the orange bow. It matches the hair and the tail and the fox ears. Very cute Hachipupu. What can you say about this one? Here's the art card. If you are fond of Hachipupu, please comment down below. Let's go with our last Hachipupu. So we got the fox. I really want to get the owl and the mushroom as well and the cannibal flower. So let's see. Uh, oops. It's very satisfying, right, when unboxing the strip box. Oops. So let me unveil this one now. So one, two, three. Oh, who's this little guy? And he has a. I'm not sure if this is bow or wings. Okay, let me check. Oh, I guess this is the gremlin. Yeah, so this is the gremlin. Look, I thought gremlin's like an elf. Yeah, and this one is so cute. Look, guys. Very adorable. I like the translucent bow at the back. I like the gradient color of green to purple. I like the hat. There's some like, there's this one is so magical for me. There's some kind of magic with this figure. Yeah, he's so cute, very innocent. I like the brown hair of Hachipupu. I like the black eyes. Yeah, I like this one, surprisingly. Very cute. What can you say about this one? I should get more of these. They are so look so cute and adorable. Right? What can you say about this one, guys? You can comment down below. So guys, I'm saving the best for last. So we have the Zootopia Series 2. I never had the Series 1 of these, but I watched the first movie of Zootopia and it was so funny and they are look so adorable. I like the bunny and the fox tandem together. So that's why I decided to get these boxes because I believe there will be a season 2 or part 2 of Zootopia in the movie. So let's see, guys. So this is Utopia 2 Next Adventure series. I just got two, guys. I'm not sure if because I never collect the first series. So let's see. So they have 12 confirmed figures here and one secret. Actually, the secret is I can't remember. But from this lineup, of course, I wanna get Nick. I like all Nick. The Nick, the Poe Flower Nick. I wanna get Judy, of course, Bling Bling Judy, any of these four. Okay. I want to get Nibbles. I want to get Nibbles, Paubert. Let's see, guys. Let's see, and I'm so excited to unbox this one. Look, guys, what cool about this box is there's a Poe, Poe print in the strip box. Like, it's so cute. I like the branding of this one. Very nice box, very nice artwork. So I just hope I'll get my Priom or maybe a secret. It's so a very long time I never had a secret from this vlog. So no branding for the foil. Typical Pop Mart. So let's see. I'm so curious and nervous which one I will get. One, two, three. Oops. What's this? Oh, I got Judy. Right? The bling bling Judy. Nice. Yeah, this one is so cute. These are all the inclusion. Let me show you the art card. Bling bling Judy. I like the color. The artwork of the art card. Very nice. This is the inclusion. Okay, let me set aside uh, the other boxes. And I like the stand, guys. Very nice. Look, it's like a pavement or a what you call that one? Manhole cover, right? And surprisingly, I saw it. There's a design. Like you can use this one as a stamp, right? Very nice. Very cool. Hmm. Yeah, I like this one. Okay, so you can stand Judy like this, and she is holding the tumbler. Can you put the tumbler here? Up, she can hold the tumbler like this. Oh, very nice. Very sexy Judy. I like the figure itself. There's a lot of good vibe here. I like the intricate details. The sunnies of Judy here is a translucent heart-shaped material. What I like about also the tumbler is so glittery, and the handbag is a matte finish. There's some like um I don't know, it's a milk bottle on the both sides of the bag. I like it. It seems like she's going to a gym, or she just finished doing a yoga. But this one is so cool, very nice. I like the bunny ears and oops, I dropped the tumbler. Wait, guys, sorry, I dropped the tumbler. The straw is like a daisy flower. This one is so cute, very nice. Very cute, very nice figure. I said too much. So, what can you say about this? You can comment down below. Let's proceed with our second box of Zootopia 2. This one is a very light figure. I just hope I'll get Nick or Powflower Nick, either of the Nick figure. So, let's see, guys. I just hope it's not a, duplicate or maybe a secret. Yeah, this one is a small one. Okay, let's see. Which one's small here? Nibbles? Fru Fru? Or Gary? Or Ross? Let's see. One, two, three. Oh! I got the snake one! I got Gary. Is this Gary? Yeah, the snake one. Look. Hmm. What can you say about this one? The finish is so pearlescent. Gary is wearing a belt bag. Very nice, very cute. And I like the yellow eyes. I got the snake. Why? I'm not a fan of this one, but I remember during my early days of doing a vlog, I got the snake as well. They're hunting me. I guess snake is a lucky animal, I believe. Let's do the positive vibe. So this is Gary. Let me put the inclusion. I don't know what's the inclusion. And I don't know why they put a stand for Gary. Yeah, look, they just put this one like this. And there's a design of Gary on the bottom part. I believe this is like you can use as a stamp. Very nice. They did a really good job with the stamp here. Very cool. That's all I can say. Maybe not a fan of Gary, but if you are a fan of this, you can comment down below. So let's proceed with our last boxes, which is or are the newest release from Dimu. So I got four. I'm afraid that I might get a duplicate here because the other three I got from a separate purchase, and the other one is from the other purchase. I don't know which one is here. I mixed it up already. So I just hope we won't get a duplicate from this lineup or from these boxes. I really like the box of New Demo now. They are stepping up their game. They're doing a really good job with their newest release. If you can see in my background, I have the newest release of Demo, a complete set, which is the I forgot the series. Demo, I don't, is it Wild or Forest like that? But I have the newest release. I just forgot the series name. And the new release of Demo is The Missing Day. It's like a very retro vibe for me, and you know, I really like the when I saw the lineup, I found them very nice and cute, and I like the vibe of a retro. But I don't know why I didn't get the full set. It's so expensive actually, that's why. So the lineup that I really wanna get from this collection, I really wanna get the story only I can tell. Mm, the one with the dog, my pillow beds or beads, I'm not sure. I can't read. It's so small. I like this one. I like this one. I like the one with the ice cream. I like this one. I actually like them all, but I just hope there will be no duplicate, or I just hope to get a secret. So let's see. I like the box. It's so cute, very retro, very vintage vibe. So let's see. I just hope I'll get my prio. Oh, this one has a big figure. And there's a branding of Demo. So let's see. I'm excited with this one. So one, two, three. Oh, the one in the tub. I like this actually. Look, guys, I can say that this figure is so beautiful. It is done perfectly. I don't know what to say, but this one's like it reminds me of a retro vintage vibe. Uh, he's a taking a bath in a bathtub like a old bathtub. It reminds me of these old rich people with this bathtub. Like look the finishing, guys. It's like a marble type bathtub, and I like the faucet, the stand of the bathtub. It's bronze color. This one is so cool. Very nice. I should get more of these. I really like this one. I love the intricate details of this. Very nice figure. There's like a bubbles in the tub. Let me show you the art card. So this is Soaking in a Dream. What can you say about this one? I really love this. Do you agree with me? Please comment down below. So let's proceed with our next box for Dimu. Ah, I got the one in the tub. So I just hope I'll get all my priors here. I really want to get this one and the one with the dog. So let's see. And I just hope it's not a duplicate. And I love it, guys. Very nice figure. I really like the artists of Dimu, by the way. They're doing very good with the figures. Hmm. I'm not sure if this is the tub as well. Maybe not. Let's see. One, two, three. Oops. Who's this? Oh, the one in the clouds. Look. Hmm. Seems like I'm not getting my priors, but this one is so cute. Look, it seems like Bimu is in the middle of the clouds. It looks like a clouds, and it looks like a pillow at the same time with the cotton bursting out like that, and that's why there's some stitches. Look the details of this one, guys. Very nice details. These are like a pigeons or dove. I believe white dove. I'm not sure. I like the hair of Bimu here. It's like so there are some feathers. Yeah, I just noticed this like a swan. Look, guys, the swan is wearing a crown. This is the beak of the swan. Look, and this is the feathers of the swan. Very nice. And the gradient color, if you can see this one in an actual figure, there's a gradient color of pink here. Very nice. I like this figure. It really gives me a retro vintage vibe. I don't know who's this, by the way. So this is Dancing on Clouds. I like their art card, by the way. Very nice. Look, Dimu the Missing Day. What can you say about this one? I'm starting to love them all and sad I didn't get more of this, but what can you say about it? Please comment down below. So we have these last two boxes. One is quite heavy and one is a light one. Let me set aside the last one because I'm afraid this is the heavy one is the duplicate. I hope it's not. So let's proceed with our next box for Dimu. So I hope it's not a duplicate, guys. I love them all. If this will be a duplicate, I'm going to dish dash them, by the way. Sell them to anyone who likes it. Oops. Oh, guys. I'm afraid that this is like a duplicate. I'm not sure. I feel it's a duplicate because of the, you know, yeah, it's a duplicate. I don't want to open it. Can I just open the foil, the art card? Yay! It's a duplicate, guys. Why it's like that? Look. I'm sad. Ah, okay. Let's proceed with our next box. I'm gonna dish dash this one. Oh no, I'm sad. I got a duplicate. Again, this is the con of not getting a full set and getting it in a separate order. Yeah. So let's proceed with our next box. Haha. I just hope it's not a duplicate. But I believe it's not because I ordered the three from the same order. I guess it's not a duplicate. So let's see. So one, two, three. Yes, it's not a duplicate. And I got the one that I like. Yay! Look, look, guys. He is so dapper here. Very cute. It seems like he's going outside the winter vibe. I like the outfit. Look, guys, the very intricate details of the clothes of Dimu here. He's wearing like a oversized hoodie and oversized pants with a handkerchief or like a scarf on used as a belt. And the hoodie of Dimu has the brand of Dimu, and he's bringing his pet duck, I believe. And look the hair of Dimo, guys. It looks like a, I'm not sure, like a bird or a swan because there's a lot of, you know, the wind is blowing the hair of Dimo. It's like a, what can you say that? It's like the feather or the wings of a bird. Very nice. I like this one. Very nice figure. I like the intricate, it's like the details, the intricate details of this one. It's like a stone finish, but it's not. It's a PVC. And who's this, by the way? So this is Quackstrol. I like this one. This is my fave, actually. And I'm sad that I got a duplicate of Dancing Clouds. So, what can you say about this one? Please comment down below. So guys, this is the final lineup of what I unboxed for today's vlog. Surprisingly, and it's so sad that I got a duplicate for Dimu. And I'm just gonna dish dash that one. But as again, I'm happy that I unboxed this blind boxes for today's vlog because they are also cute and beautiful and adorable. And those figures that I'm not expecting to get it like a to get a beautiful one, and I was surprised that they are all cute and adorable. So if I'm going to pick my favorites from this lineup, I really wanna get or pick Dimu, which is the Quacky Stroll from the newest release of Dimu, and I like Hachi Pupu, the Gremlin, and I like the bun or the burger of what you call this one? SpongeBob, and he is, by the way, I forgot the patty wagon, and of course, I like my sign, which is the Sagittarius from Zoe, and of course, surprisingly from Zootopia. I like this one. Bling Bling Judy, because of what I like about this figure is their stand. It's reusable, or you can use it. Very useful as a stamp. Very nice. So these are my top picks from this vlog. If you have other favorites from this lineup, you can comment down below. But I can say that they are all cute and adorable. So once again, guys, if you're still not my subscriber, you can subscribe in my channel and click the notification bell so that you will be notified on my new and upcoming vlog. And if you had fun watching my video, don't forget to like and share this one. And once again, thanks for watching. Bye!